Hey everyone, so this is an unboxing here of an Amazon renewed excellent condition Google Pixel 7 Pro. I believe this was 120 gigabyte storage version. This one is the Obsidian, which is like dark gray. So get on into this. So we do get USB-C to USB-C. A lot of times they do give you the charging brick with it as well. This one does not seem to have that. Let me go ahead and take this off. Right now, I have not had good luck in the past with these, but so far this one looks really good. It even has looks like a piece of plastic over the camera lens there. It does. I take that on off. Let's see, looking for scratches and stuff. This looks really good so far. I think this has to be the best shaped phone I've ever gotten from Amazon renewed. Let's see, get a bit more lighting on here. So yeah, I mean, this thing is in incredible shape from what I can tell right now. It's very good to look over your phone carefully if you get it renewed from anywhere. So I've had, I don't know how many different phones from Amazon renewed. I always end up returning them because they're usually beat the crap in back. This one like looks almost new, and it has, except for some dust on it, looks incredibly good shape. Wow, I don't even really see any real scratches on it. Yeah, so taking a closer look at this, there's some like stuff stuck to the screen, but otherwise it is in basically perfect shape. Yeah, I mean, what's kind of weird too is on the box it does say, maybe you all know what this means, but it says renewed, but then here it says new, so I don't know what that means. Maybe it has new parts or something. Either way, this thing is in really good shape. It was $340 I want to say for this phone, which is not bad for what last model year's phone, which was what, $900, $1,000 when it came out. So not bad for the price. So go ahead and set this thing up, and hopefully it is in really good working shape too. I'm sure it will be. I'll be doing some bunch of videos on this guy pretty soon here, so stay tuned to the channel. Check out a bunch more videos on this 7 Pro, Pixel 7 Pro here. Amazon renewed excellent shape, and again, this has got to be the best phone I've gotten from Amazon by far. There's like not even like a single scratch on it, doesn't seem like. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.